Stylishly transform your bath into a luxury spa experience with the Scudo Muro Matte Black Bath Shower Mixer Tap with Shower Kit, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Impeccably deck-mounted for a sleek, modern effect, this remarkable water regulations advisory scheme, approved black tap, brings the magnificence of smooth, on-trend design effortlessly into your home, offering a dash of contemporary flair. This exceptional fixture features a chic, black finish, telling a tale of sophistication and function. It's deck-mounted and casually switches from a bath filler to a convenient shower head. The Scudo brand guarantees a lifetime of service, promising not just a tap, but an investment into your home's appeal. Its high-quality handset and hose provide an all-encompassing solution to your bathing needs and add a defining finish to your bathroom. Discover the beauty of modish bathroom styling with the Scudo Muro Matte Black Bath Shower Mixer. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Muro range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.